This is my Acer Aspire Timeline laptop. It's quite old. I've had it since 2013 and now it's 2025. And I got it from my cousin. Her son tried to kill it while losing in a game, I think. And the hard disk drive, which we can find here or here, just stopped working. Of course, if you are hammering your fist in a computer, it might stop working. And what has stopped working now is this unit. This is the USB 2 and 3 units, and also the memory card. What happens is when I'm using this for my USB wireless mouse and I plug in something else in one of these USBs, the mouse stops working. And I tried taking out the mouse and plugging in something else here, and it works fine. So therefore my suspicion is that this board is broken, and we can find it here underneath here. So I will start disassembling this and see if I'm remembering this. It's been a while since I had it open. I occasionally open it to clean the fan. So first off, we start by removing the battery, and there we go. Then we have to open this one, and bear in mind this computer is very old, so plastic is very brittle. It might crack. We all see some signs of it here already, so yeah. Okay, let's put this to the side. And this is the hard drive. You need to take that one out. So let's just take out the screws. There's a lot of them. Some of them won't come out, most likely, if I remember correctly. And some of them might be in different lengths. So remember, if there's any screws that are longer or shorter, have that in mind. So all these screws has to come out. And I can see there are missing at least one screw here. And that's not uncommon. I think this piece will be loose. Yeah, it's quite loose. Now with the screws removed, you need to remove these from the memory slots. And also you need to remove the keyboard. And it's held in by some tabs. One there, 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 and there. Just push them in and it will release the keyboard. It will pop up a little bit. Then you can use the screwdriver to lift it up a little bit. There we go. Also need to do it on this one. and now the keyboard has come up. Pry it up. And we have this one. Push those two tabs. And here we have more screws. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7 screws in total. Now we can pry push them out. Oh boy, I think I've done this the wrong way, but that's okay. No, it's the right way. There's the unit that we need to replace. And while you're in here, you might take out the motherboard and blow the fan, clean it out. I'm using compressed air. I don't think I will do it this time because it's 5 or 6 months since I did it last, so I don't see the need to do it. This one is connected there. Like so. We'll put it in and put the computer together, and we'll just see what happens. As you can see, I'm not using any gloves or anti-static things. This is my private personal computer, so I'm not bothered with that. When I did this as a profession, I had a company where I fixed computers and cell phones and PlayStations. I always used anti-static wristband and gloves, making sure that I didn't destroy anything. So we have replaced the board. Now we just put it back together.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. Got my eyes on you, and you got no clue what I'm supposed to do. I can't help myself.
one of the screws was shorter than the other, and it goes back here.
When the night will fall, I'll haunt your dreams.
Screw on this side is missing.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. It will never be over complete. It will never be.
And this hard drive will be locked in place when screwing that in.
Little by little, piece by piece, I take back what's been stolen from me. Little by little, piece by piece, until I'm complete. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back. Little by little, piece by piece, I take back.
Let's try to turn it on.
I take back. Little by little, piece by piece.
Yep, we have Windows. Let's plug in this for the mouse. What happened when I was putting in the USB cable in one of these two? The mouse would stop working. So we can see now that the mouse is working and all that. And when I plugged in the cable with either the e-cigarettes or other devices such as cell phones, it would stop moving. The mouse would stop working. So let's see. Let's try this one. And it's charging. As you can see, it's charging. And it didn't do that before. And now the mouse is working. So, yeah. Let's see if the other USB port works. And as you can see, it charges. Hope you can see it. And let's see if the mouse is working. Yeah, it works. There you have it. I managed to, to fix it. I did some tests prior to ordering this. I ordered it from eBay. It's a used part. What I did, I found a service manual for this and also parts manual for this specific computer. And from there I could pull the part number. If I wouldn't have that parts catalog or parts list, I would disassemble the computer and take out the card and read the number, the part number, and just put it in the computer, and you'll find it online. It's amazing how many obsolete parts you will find on the internet. But yeah, hope you liked this video. If you did, give me the thumbs up, ring the bell and subscribe, and also leave a comment in the comment section. So, thanks for watching.